how to make your channel more searchable in the YouTube search. So hey guys, if you're having any issues with your channel that is not showing up whenever someone tries to search it by the channel name, so here are some of the tips that you can follow. Although though make sure that there is no direct way to appear onto the search, it all depends upon various techniques and the use of facilities that are provided to us by YouTube. So one of the things that you first need to do is head on to the YouTube studio for your channel. So let us do that. And once you are inside the YouTube studios, the first thing you need to make sure is head on to the settings and ensure that you have added the tags for your YouTube channel. So once you are inside the settings, simply go to the channel, and here you can see that inside the keywords you have added all the relevant keywords which are related to your channel. With this, we will move on to the next part, that is the description of the channel. So in order to access the description, simply close up this, and then from here go to the customization. Then under the customization you can see your channel description. So it is a good practice to add your channel name on the description as well. Also, you may also choose to add the channel name into the channel URL or the custom links as well. This also improves that your channel name will appear more often in the search. Then once you have made sure that all of these changes have been committed, you need to publish them and just wait for couple of weeks so that these changes get placed and your YouTube channel has a better chance of appearing at the top of the search whenever someone tries to search it with your channel name. So, if this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, hit the comment box as well if you are offering any suggestions or problems, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.